Let's get you breaking news coming in, and this is in regard to Mumbai's monorail service that has faced its second major technical failure, halting operations amid heavy rain. Remember, this is the second time round such an incident has taken place on the 19th of August, hardly 3 weeks back. Two trains, almost a month ago, when two trains had stalled, one between Chembur and the Bhakti Park due to overcrowding induced power glitch, stranding over 500 passengers at the time, close to almost 600 passengers. And now again, there is a problem as far as the monorail services are concerned. This is a second major technical failure which has resulted in halting operations, as this is amid heavy rainfall that is being recorded overnight. There has been a lot of rainfall, particularly in the Santa Cruz area, where in less than 24 hours, it has rained about 88 millimeters of rainfall. There is a yellow and orange category warning of more rainfall to follow. Paras joining us in order to get us more on this. Paras, visuals on our screen, of course. Take us through what's really happened here. This is the second technical glitch that the monorail services are facing. What really has caused this?
In the monorail, before that we had seen the very difficult situation was there in the monorail. There were many passengers who were stuck inside, and after that the rescue operation was also taken place. This is the second incident which has came into light, but it is not yet confirmed that what has happened in monorail, why it is stuck. There is no official confirmation about it, but there can be a major technical fault which has been there in monorail right now. It has been stuck from last few minutes, but majorly the reason why it is stuck is still unknown. The monorail and the engineers and many other people are trying to see what exactly has happened to monorail right now. So there is no official confirmation about what has happened, but it may be a technical glitch which is they are trying to resolve.
Right, Paras, take us through the issue. This is back to back in less than a month's time. We're talking about from the 19th of August to the 15th of September. This is the second such failure that we are seeing. Take us through the issues at hand and, in regard to this, because this is putting a lot of people as far as the commuters are concerned in the city of Mumbai, who are relying completely on these monorail services.
Rightly said, but last time there was the overcrowding problem, and that's why the entire failure happened. And after that there was a big rescue operation which was done by the fire brigade and the Mumbai police. But right now what has happened, it's still unknown what technical fault has been there in monorail, why it is stuck. It's maybe a matter of concern, but right now investigation is still on what has happened to monorail, why it is stuck, and it will be very difficult to say what exactly has taken place and why monorail is stuck from last few minutes. So we have to wait for the official confirmation what has happened, what was there, what was the problem. So it will be very important to see what official will come in this entire situation, why monorail is stuck.